Welcome back to the UltFone channel. Forgetting your iPhone screen passcode can be really frustrating. Your phone is right there in your hand, but you just can't get in. And if you enter the wrong passcode too many times, you may see the iPhone Unavailable message on the screen. But don't worry, this problem can still be fixed. In this video, I'll show you 3 simple ways to unlock your iPhone. Before we start, here's an important reminder. All of these methods will erase the data on your device. So make sure to back up your device completely before unlocking it so you can get your data back later. You can use iTunes or Finder to back up your phone. Let's get started. The first method is using the Forgot Passcode option on your iPhone. After you enter the wrong passcode several times, some iPhones will show a Forgot Passcode button at the bottom of the screen. Tap it and then follow the on-screen instructions to reset your iPhone. Please note that this process will erase everything on your device and remove the screen passcode. After that, tap Erase iPhone and wait for the reset to finish. Once it's done, your iPhone will be restored to factory settings. You can set it up as a new device or restore your data from an iCloud backup during setup. However, some users may not see the Forgot Passcode option. This can happen if the iPhone is not connected to the internet or if the option simply doesn't appear on the screen. In that case, you can try the second method. The second method is restoring your iPhone with iTunes or Finder. First, connect your iPhone to a desktop or laptop with a USB cable. Then quickly press and release the volume up button. Quickly press and release the volume down button. After that, press and hold the power button until the recovery screen appears. If your iPhone shows a recovery options screen, just follow the on-screen instructions and choose recovery mode. Once your device enters recovery mode, open Finder on a Mac or open iTunes on a Windows computer. You should see 2 options: Restore and Update. If you just want to remove the screen passcode, choose Restore. But here's the thing. Both options may erase all data on your iPhone. The whole process can also take some time, and if the connection is unstable, the restore may fail. So if you want a more straightforward and stable way to unlock your iPhone, you can try the third method. The third method is using UltFone iPhone Unlock to reset your iPhone. If the first 2 methods don't work for you, or if you don't want to deal with iTunes, UltFone iPhone Unlock is a great option to try. The process is clear, beginner-friendly, and it supports most iPhone and iPad models. You can find the download link in the video description. Here's how to use it. First, connect your iPhone to the computer with a USB cable. Next, follow the instructions to put your device into recovery mode. In most cases, you just need to press the volume up button, then press the volume down button, and then press and hold the power button until the recovery screen appears. After that, open UltFone iPhone Unlock and choose Unlock iOS screen. Once everything looks right, click Download. When the firmware download is complete, click Start. The tool will begin removing the screen passcode from your iPhone. The whole process usually takes about 10 minutes. During the process, do not unplug your iPhone and do not close the software. Once the unlocking process is finished, your iPhone will go back to the setup screen. You can activate it again and use it like a new device. So that's it. These are 3 ways to unlock your iPhone when you forget the screen passcode. One last reminder, no matter which method you choose, resetting or restoring your device will erase the data on your iPhone. If you have an iCloud backup or a computer backup, you can restore your data later. If you don't have a backup, the data may not be recoverable. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to the official UltFone channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.